Hello, hello. So, here we have a robot. Oh, vacuum cleaner, and it is not lasting so long with the power anymore, so I decided to change the battery. Let's get it apart. It's an easy operation. Loosen all these screws down here. Remove this cover. And here we have it, our battery. Little clips here. Pull it out. Now we are halfway done. I've ordered a new battery on Amazon. A non-original battery. I thought I'd take the chance. It had some good recommendations and some very bad ones where it said it didn't work at all. So let's compare them. New one, 14.4 volts, 4000 milliampere hours. The old one, only 1800 milliampere hours. So there should be some more juice in this one. Let's get it in and see if it will even work. Fits in. And let's get it back together. And it is now back together. See if it will start. I'm pretty sure it has to be connected to a charger though, after battery have been removed in order to turn it on. Nothing. So luckily I have a charger right here. Let's plug the charger in. And what will it say when I press start? Nothing. Nothing whatsoever. I will just go into my robot app and see what it will say there. Maybe I can activate it from there the first time. Oh, wait, it's saying sounds. We'll start now. Doesn't seem happy. Let's go into the robot app and see what is going on. And it is running. That's what I would call a success. Apparently it needs, maybe the battery was too low on charge, or just had to, I don't know, learn the battery somehow. Doesn't matter. It is running, it is working, and yeah, let's see how good it will work, this unoriginal China battery. Bye bye, thanks for now. Please check out more videos, press the subscribe button, and see you another time. Bye bye.